Hello listeners, are you ready to take your listening experience to the next level? Well, buckle up, because today we're gonna unpack and go into the network player of Luxman, the NT-07. Well, I have a question for you. How do you like to play your favorite music? Do you play it from services like Cobus or Tidal or Apple or any other? Do you use Room maybe? Or do you play your music from a hard drive or a USB stick? It's all possible with the NT-07. Also, it plays your favorite radio stations. Something about connectivity. It's got, of course, digital outputs to connect to your DA converter. Toslink, SPDIF, coax, network connection, USB inputs and an HDMI input and ARC output. It also got trigger functions for connectivity with your Luxman amplifier. Let's hook it on. Yes listeners, we are ready to go and play some music on the NT-07 network player from Luxman, a company almost 100 years in audio business. Very excited to have a listen and play with their new network player. If you want to have the experience to listen to the NT-07 network player, you're always welcome in our premises here in Hilversum at the Borneolaan in the Netherlands.